If your Toyota Camry USB port has suddenly stopped charging or connecting, you can usually fix it without a trip to the dealer. Statistically, most USB issues aren't hardware failures, but rather simple connection errors or debris in the port. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by testing a different cable, then inspect the port for lint or bent pins, and finally, verify the accessory power fuse. The most common culprits are damaged pins, a blown fuse, or a loose wiring harness connection behind the center console. If the hardware looks fine, try a hard reset of the infotainment system by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes. Most fixes are easy DIY tasks, but if the port still fails, it may indicate a deeper failure in the infotainment module. Costs range from just a few dollars for a fuse to significant amounts if the main infotainment unit requires professional replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, try a soft reset via the head unit or use a multimeter to check for power at the harness. Keep a simple kit handy with a plastic pick, a fuse puller, and a basic multimeter for these electrical tasks. Always remember that modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, so start with the simplest power reset before tearing into the dash. If these steps didn't resolve your USB issue, check your owner's manual for specific wiring schematics or consult your local dealer.